Hey everyone, it's Yoslyn and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to do this bubble hairstyle. I got a request to do a tutorial on this in my last video, so that's why I'm doing it today. It's really easy to do, and if you want to learn how to do it, then just keep on watching. So here I have my hair naturally undone, and I'm going to show you guys what you need to do this hairstyle. I like to use gel just because I like my ponytail to be really slicked back. I use this Echo Gel, or if you don't have this, you can also use hairspray. Sometimes I use both. This is for the ponytail part, and I use this to hold down flyaways, so I just add hair oil and Olaplex. Really, you just need hair oil. This I just do as an extra, and then you're gonna need one of these to get the ponytail really smooth, and I use this to just part my hair. Really the only thing you need is a hairbrush, gel, and elastics, but I just use all this stuff every time I do my ponytail. Yeah, you also need these. You're gonna need one big elastic and then like little small ones. So I'm gonna start off, I have a mirror over here but I can't really see myself, but I just start off by splitting my hair in the middle, and I do it right in the middle. I'm going to start off with the gel, so I get some gel. This is honestly a really easy hairstyle. This is like one of my go-to hairstyles when I'm in a rush, but I just put gel all over my hair. And the reason why I do that is because my hair is naturally wavy, so I really need a lot of gel if I want to keep the flyaways down. And then I hold it in a ponytail. As you guys can see, this is what it's going to look like. And then I get this brush, and I just start smoothing it out. This brush is really good. It's from Target, but it's from the men's section, but it's such a good brush. It makes all of my ponytails super smooth. My mom bought it one time, and then I started using it, and then I bought one for myself just because it's the best brush I've ever used. I'm just smoothing this ponytail out, and this is going to be a low pony. So here's my hair, and now I'm going to tie it in a ponytail. So I have my elastic. Usually I just tie it with one elastic. So there's that, and then I tie in the ponytail to get any of the bumps out. And now I'm going to add the elastics. This is so simple. So we already got the main step out of the way. Now I'm going to add the hair oil. You can also detangle your hair. I think I forgot to do that, but it's fine. And then I add the Olaplex to my ends just because they're really dry, so I just add this. And now we're gonna add the elastics. Usually I only use about four or five elastics in my hair. Here's the first one, and I add this. How far apart you put them is how big the bubbles are gonna be. I already know just because I've done this hairstyle multiple times, but that's gonna be the first bubble. Get another elastic, and I do it a little bit lower. We're gonna fluff these out, so that's why they look kind of weird right now. We already have two elastics in, so I'm gonna add this one. I think I use four of them. And then I just fluff it out. The longer your hair is, the more bubbles you're gonna have. If my hair was like this short, I could probably only do like two of them. My hair's like medium length, and I usually do four. So it looks like this. There are the bubbles in my hair. If you want, you can fluff them out a bit more. And that's how my hair looks. And this is a really easy hairstyle. I always do this hairstyle when I'm in a rush because it's super simple, but it looks like I put a lot of effort in my hair. So yeah, if you guys try this hairstyle out, let me know down below how it worked for you. And if you have any hair videos you want to see, also comment those down below. But that is it for today's video, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!